Now, your WAAY 31 Storm Tracker forecast.
Well, Annea, it's not a good thing, but unfortunately, we're getting used to rainy weekends.
Absolutely, and we're getting into that typical summertime pattern as well, where some of those storms could be a little bit on the hefty side as they move in towards the afternoon, that daytime heating adding to the strength of those thunderstorms. We're going to be seeing that exact thing happening here today across northern Alabama, and that is why the WAAY 31 threat tracker is under a caution day today. We're not expecting widespread severe weather, but we are having a potential for just enough where we could see maybe an isolated thunderstorm or two causing some reports of strong wind or possibly some hail. And that is why there is a level 1 out of 5 risk across much of the state of Alabama, including all of the counties in our viewing area, even the ones over in Tennessee. And what this means is that while we're not expecting everyone to see reports of damage, it is possible that we could see some isolated cases of maybe some large hail, some coin-sized hail, and maybe even some gusty winds. But right now, starting off the morning on the calmer side, we can see here on WAAY 31 Skycam network over in Huntsville, even in Muscle Shoals, across the area, we are seeing overcast conditions, but that rainfall hasn't quite started to move in yet. We're just seeing a lot of cloud cover and a lot of fog. The most dense areas near Fort Payne, south of Gadsden as well. We see that kind of stretched across the southern counties where we're seeing some of that patchy fog, and we're going to continue to see that over the next couple of hours. And then we'll also have some of that rain moving in. I mentioned we could have some reports, maybe some severe thunderstorm warnings, and we can see that over in Tennessee right now, just towards the west of our viewing area. So that will be moving in over the next couple of hours. They're seeing some of those gusts, some large hail. That's going to be expected in our area. Right now it's affecting parts of western Tennessee, but continuing to move towards the east. So we can see that on Storm Tracker by 10, even heading towards lunchtime. Much of that's made its way well into our area. Seeing some of those scattered showers, most of it just rainfall, but some rumbles of thunder in there. And then we could see a few isolated cases of like what's over in Tennessee right now, maybe a quick severe thunderstorm warning or two popping up. And that will last throughout much of the day. You can see it's almost a washout, although some of us missing that rain here and there. We're going to see a lot of rainfall today, so I would not recommend having any plans outdoors. And then by dinner time, this is 6:30, still seeing in another northern part of our area a lot of that rain. Temperatures not breaking 80 degrees because of that. We're going to be staying in those upper 70s. But tomorrow, things are going to be a lot different. So the weekend is not a complete washout. Maybe some of us stepping outside to church tomorrow morning, going to see some stray showers. But then by the afternoon, it's going to be a sunny day. So the weekend will finish off on a more pleasant note after we push past these thunderstorms. And then we're going to see some heat build in, especially the first part of our next week, even pushing 90 degrees. So we're going to definitely flip the script on that forecast, but first we have to deal with this rainfall, those scattered showers and storms. Sunday, things are going to be a lot more nice, but then heading into Monday, we're going to see a brief period of high pressure, temperatures even approaching those 90s. That's before midway through our week when we start to see more scattered showers and thunderstorms heading into the early part of our next work week as well.